Hey, thanks to all our subscribers and fans. We got a tremendous amount of positive feedback from our last video, and you guys are just demanding more. So we're taking off today to go and go to another new place we've never been before, and we're going to find out what it's like. All right, here we go. Today's hike, we are just north of Shores Lake today. For those of you who always are wondering, where are we? Just north of Shores Lake. And so we're heading off. It's about 45 degrees, which is really, actually it's about 40 degrees right now, but that's really ideal. The low 40s for hiking is really perfect temperature once you get warmed up. It's actually pretty cold right now though. We've been walking and walking, trying to find a way down this cliff here, and it's not been easy. So we found a spot that's decently not too high. We're going to use the rope, kind of let ourselves down the cliff right here. How's the hike going so far, Susan?
It's a little bit tough, but much better than last week. No thorns.
Yeah. This is a pretty area. This is nice. Always bring spare batteries. We just had to put new batteries in the Garmin, so you always want to have some spare batteries with you. It's a nice little spot to stop and take a rest break. I'll show y'all what's in front of us here, if I can. There we go. I think we're about to get stuck up there. This looks like it's a dead end for us, so we'll have to backtrack and find a way out. Here we go. We're trying to find a way out of here. We've just meandered around for a couple of hours, and now we got stuck in this little ravine with no way out right there, believe it or not, unless we want to do some serious rock climbing, which we don't.
Like rock climbing.
Yeah, this is the joy of finding your way back after you've meandered. That was some impressive climbing Susan was doing there. All right, here we go. Layers, people. Layers when you're hiking. It was pretty cool a few minutes ago down in the valley. How's it now, Susan?
A little warm after climbing the hill.
Look where we find ourselves. It's a little bit thick. Just a little bit. Trying to make our way. Actually, this is better than it was a few moments ago. A few moments ago, it was all thorns. As the crow flies, you are looking at the car over there, behind all those trees. The problem is that we are not crows. Still finding our way back to the car. We found our way up here. We can finally cross over right over here. This was a pretty good hike. Very steep. Lots of up and downs, but cool stuff.
Cool stuff. Several waterfalls.